Good morning, everyone. Today I'd like to talk briefly about how we make band collars using a template and a pattern sewer machine. The process begins with placing the fabric into a pre-designed template. This template holds the shape and ensures consistency of the collar. Once the fabric is secured, it's moved to the pattern sewer machine. This machine is pre-programmed to stitch the exact pattern needed for the band collar, which is then cut and finished by our skilled tailors. Now, what are the benefits of this process? First, precision! Every collar comes out with a uniform shape and stitching. Second, speed. What takes minutes by hand is done in seconds. Third, consistency, reducing errors and improving overall product quality. As for capacity, a pattern sewer machine can produce up to 250 to 300 collars per hour, depending on the fabric and design complexity. That's a major boost in productivity for any garment operation. In short, using a template with a pattern sewer machine is a smart, scalable way to produce high-quality band collars faster, cleaner, and more reliably. Thank you.